Hey, good morning, everybody. Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? What do we got here? I'm freezing. It is Saturday, February something, 15th, let's call it. Just got done with the solid minute. I almost said 30-second. 30-minute walk. Got a ton of things to do today and tomorrow. I thought I'd be going back to Guatemala early March, but it's actually next week. So be on the lookout for some videos in the motherland from the International Galactic headquarters. Some Yahoo posted multiple times, hey, when you do your video, stop wearing sunglasses. These are not sunglasses. They're prescription glasses that tint. Evidently, this person wants to see my eyes for some reason. Again, so many videos I've done this week on, again, up and to the right, even though we have to put up with some short-term noise, chaos. That's what I call it, chaos. But, yeah, when I woke up, I thought it was 5 below. Mrs. Crypto Mentor at 99 said, you're going to get out and walk. It's 38 degrees. Man, it felt like 25 with the wind. But anyhow, that's it. Crypto Mentor 99 going back to the homeland, International Galactic, what I used to say, outer space headquarters. But that's it. If you need to get a hold of me, cryptomentor99@yahoo.com, cryptomentor99@yahoo.com. Love y'all. Bye-bye.